We're back, and in the words of Sean Connery, welcome to the Rock. The Sheetrock, that is. We have made a lot of progress in the past few weeks, and as you can see now, the house is really starting to take shape. All the electrical and the plumbing and framing and insulation, all that's done, inspected, and we passed. And now you are starting to see how this place is going to look. So, around the whole house there's sheetrock. Like you can see, remember there's going to be a 12-foot sliding door right there. We're standing in the living room. There's the dining room over there. There's going to be a really cool window, and a transom up above there. It's going to be fun. And we've got this nice opening to the kitchen. And surprise, surprise, we have a mudroom. So this mudroom, we converted a portion of the porch into the mudroom, and now you walk out of the kitchen and you go into this nice mudroom, which is where we're going to keep all of our coats and shoes rather than cramming them here at the entry on the other side of the door. Upstairs, washer dryer space right there. Boom boom. Kids room is all framed up and sheetrock. So here's our kids room. Closets. Master bedroom. You go through the master bed. It's just going to take you into the master closet right here. As you can see, we have tile ready to go for next week. And this is master bathroom. And you can see where the shower is going to take place right over there. So everything is sheetrocked in, and now you're able to see what these rooms look like. So the next few weeks are going to be really exciting. We have a ton happening. The stairs, the doors, the floors, painting, different built-ins getting installed. It's all really coming together really fast, so I think the next few weeks will be really fun. Everybody, great to see you again. We're starting a remodel. I am the general contractor. My wife is the client. And I have to get this done by the end of April or else I'm in big trouble.